My name is Christine Hubbard. I'm Operations Manager at Beck Taxi here in Toronto. We decided that we were going to do some renovation. We didn't have a lot of time and we looked at reviews. I think this is how people come to hire services and meet vendors, and this is what we decided to do. And Senso Design had some great reviews. As soon as we contacted them, a representative came to take a look at our space and give us a quote. That made this a really easy decision because others we had contacted wanted us to send pictures and wanted us to describe the space rather than having someone just come right out and take a look. Mind you, it was also during a snowstorm. The most stressful thing about doing a renovation, especially, we're running a 24-hour business, so we were going to have to move our refrigerators and some of our items out of the kitchen so the staff could still use them. Obviously, our lounge room, they were going to go without that for a little while. And your biggest concern about any renovation, and I think this is pretty universal, is that something's going to go wrong. That doing renovations are super stressful, and you're going to run into sort of HGTV type problems that are going to stop you in your tracks. What we found with Alexi and the team at Senso was that it was seamless. I truly cannot tell you. The three things for me were, efficiency, cleanliness, and frankly, perfectionism, which is something I would not necessarily expect. Every edge, every swipe of the paintbrush, it is absolutely wonderful from top to bottom. There was some design assistance involved as well, but I really was able to have a hands-off sort of approach or experience. I was asked questions when it was necessary, but I didn't feel like I was taking on a project myself. They did a great job. We're so happy. And, I think, reviews like this are so important to businesses, and I can't stress it enough. Absolutely wonderful, so quick, so clean, and our staff is just feeling, great about it. They love the new spaces, and I couldn't be happier.